I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Carly.
And this is the Skeletal System. Everyone knows the basics of the skeletal system.
The skeletal system is the bones that make up our body.
The skeletal system has many functions.
It protects our internal organs,
Gives us a structure to allow us to move,
and it stores minerals that are needed to keep our body strong.
Finally, it makes blood cells.
Without bones, we wouldn't have any structure and wouldn't be able to move.
The bones also protect our soft organs and produce blood cells. There are 4 types of bone: long bone, short bone, flat bone, and irregular bone.
Bones are both made out of compact bone and spongy bone, sort of like this sponge. Now let's go look at the important bones of the body. Alright, now we can look at the major bones of the body.
First, we have the cranium, which is the skull,
And then we have the mandible, which is the jaw,
the vertebrae, the spine,
and the sternum.
the ribs,
We have the pelvis,
the femur,
the patella bone, which is the kneecap,
the fibula,
and the phalanges, which are the fingers and the toes. There's 2 classifications of the skeletal system. There's the axial and the appendicular. The axial includes from the skull all the way down to through the spine, the ribs, and into the pelvis bone. Then there's the appendicular, which are the appendages of the skeletal system, which are the arms and the legs and the collarbone.
Other than bones, we have another part of our skeletal system, which is the joints. The joints allow us to bend our arms and move them in certain directions, sort of like a door hinge. Without the door hinge, the door wouldn't be able to move. Ossification is the formation of bone. Osteoblasts are bone-forming cells, and osteoclasts are bone-destroying cells.
Carly, this is boring. Everyone knows this stuff already. How about we switch it up some? Let's tell them about the fun stuff.
What fun stuff?
Come on. I said your teeth are the strongest bones in your body.
Out of the 206 bones in your body, 52 are in your hands and feet. Hey Lindsay,
Giraffes?
did you know the femur bone is the longest bone in your body?
I did not know that.
And it makes up 1/4 of your height.
No way. Way. I think my femur bone's a little bit longer than yours.
Maybe just a little. Our smallest bone is no bigger than a grain of rice. Most of our ears and nose are made of cartilage, not bone. Pound for pound, bone is stronger than concrete. The secret to bone strength lies inside. The matrix of hollow cells and walls are thin as paper, the same material found in shells and teeth. 50% of our bones are soft and alive, which allows
The strength of bones is pushed to unbelievable limits every single day. Bones don't break as easily. They're actually just really flexible. As a gymnast, we rely on our bone flexibility, so our bones don't snap in the middle of our tumbling routine. The thigh bone can withstand a ton of stress before actually breaking.
Bones are 50% solid and 50% water. Well, that's not quite how it works.
There are 14 bones in your face.
There are 206 bones in the human adult body.
But did you know, when you were born with over 305 bones instead of 206? As you get older, the bones fuse together. Well, technically they're considered cartilage, but they fuse together and then they form over 206 bones in your body.
Animals and humans have a very similar skeletal system, believe it or not.
When it comes to skeletal structure in the animal kingdom, gorillas obviously are the most similar. The biggest similarities between gorillas and humans are their opposable thumbs. An interesting fact you may not know about a bone transplant surgery is that sometimes it may be used from a bone from a cow or a pig. Giraffes are known for their elongated necks, but did you know that a human and a giraffe have the same number of bones in their necks? The giraffe has 7 vertebrae, just like us, except theirs are more long and enlarged.
Thanks for watching this informational video on the skeletal system.
Hope you learned a lot. See ya!